If you're looking for a voice chat solution for your Unreal Engine project that is simple, powerful, and easy to use, you're in the right place. We're talking 1, 2, 3 done levels of simplicity. But we didn't sacrifice quality for speed. You're getting high-fidelity audio that actually sounds professional. Most voice solutions only focus on the voice data itself, completely ignoring in-game sound effects like gunshots or explosions. Our plugin is smarter. It uses a built-in submix listener to feed engine audio back into the capture. This allows for advanced noise suppression and echo cancellation that keeps your communication crystal clear. The best part? You can enable this entire system with just 2 nodes. We know that global connectivity can be a challenge. If you're in a region where services like Steam Voice Chat are restricted, don't worry, we've got you covered. We provide full server files and an easy install script so you can host your own service on any cloud provider you choose. Connection is as simple as calling a single Blueprint node. For those with unique setups, like WebSocket game servers, our custom group component allows you to override events to fit your specific needs. No matter where your players are, they can stay connected. This solution fully supports Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Plus, for those working on the cutting edge of web-based gaming, we offer a dedicated bridge plugin that brings full voice chat support to Pixel streaming. And if you want to get creative with your audio, like making a player sound like they're underwater or inside a massive hall, you can apply your own sound classes and effects directly to our audio component, just like any other native engine asset. Stop struggling with complicated setups and poor audio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Unreal Engine tutorials. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and let me know what project you're working on. Check the link in the description to get started, or join our Discord if you have any questions. We can't wait to see